So let me first check your LinkedIn and then I'll suggest things. I'm opening LinkedIn right in front of you. Just give me some 1 second. Okay. Chel Kadam. This is finance manager, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have taken LinkedIn Premium. Is it company's account or yours?
No, my personal account.
Okay. So what can I see here? That there is no banner, there is no professional headshot. This line, finance manager, it's not properly written. It is called headline. It should be good enough. It is not laden with keywords. Okay. So basic optimization is missing. About section only just one line. This will not do. Okay, you have posted something. Let me see the quality. Forming, storming, norming, performing, and journey. But where is the insight? Like you just attached one picture, but you should be coming up with some insights. So there has to be an understanding how to post on LinkedIn. Like this is not the correct way. Okay. And let me see experience. So see, you have just mentioned the responsibilities, cash flow optimization, developed and managed this, execute this. But what impact it brought to the company? Has it increased revenue from 100 crore to 500 crore? Has it increased customer satisfaction by 10%? Like that. You have to mention it very beautifully. And see, this is not the way. It should be in pointers. It should be readable. In schools, yeah, you remember we used to write letter writing, essay writing, paraphrase. Every format has different kind of style to write, right? Postcard writing, telegram writing. Yeah, you remember?
Yes.
We used to write in different formats. So LinkedIn has different style of writing. You need to learn that. Okay. So your experience section needs a revamp, a makeover. So there are skills also. You have added 22 skills. Where are the recommendation section or volunteering section? There are many sections which can be leveraged on your LinkedIn profile, which you have not up till now. So the only solution I have for now, right now, is your basic LinkedIn optimization. For example, you happen to go to a shop to buy shoes and there are only 2 shoes. Will you be considering this shop to be a good shop? No. So any recruiter is like, you are in the job market, you are also marketing yourself and you are not presenting yourself well. Will the recruiter stay in your profile?
No.
There is no wow factor in your profile. I'm just showing you something. Just like yours, this was one of my for whom I did the profile optimization. I'm showing you this. So this lady is into operations with 20 years of experience, but she did not have optimized profile, LinkedIn profile. The banner was just blank like yours. So I made her banner. See, in this banner, can you see we are talking breakthroughs also. We are mentioning her expertise, 20 years of expertise, transforming challenges into wins. Means we are projecting herself as an authority person. And we are mentioning her key things which she should be proud of saying, that she maintained 30% operational cost reduction, 8 to 12% improvement in operational productivity, customer satisfaction 10%. Suppose you are an HR, you landed to this profile, you will stick, right? And see an smiling face, professional headshot, and which is matching with the banner color as well. Yellow. Is it looking better?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it looking better? The headline section. I nurture the process of the customer life cycle for small businesses, because she is not targeting big companies. She wants to work with small businesses. She wants to work with small and mid-sized companies so that the challenges are greater. She is not interested in big companies like Google, Microsoft. So we mentioned specifically small businesses so that anybody who is searching for this keyword happens to land in her profile. Got it? And we came up with, I made 3 posts for her. And in my 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. calls, I'm teaching you people as well, LinkedIn, right? So this is the carousel made by me and my team. 3 C's to manage diverse team. She is known for managing diverse team. So we created a carousel around this. Mismanaged diverse team is equal to struggles. Have you ever felt these challenges? See, it is showing some authority. Whenever you are putting out your content and HR happens to see, they will come to know that you are doing stuff. You are a substance. Okay. You got my point.
Yes.
So this basic LinkedIn optimization is needed for your profile at the very first place. So there are two options left for you. Either you do it by yourself. We will be guiding in the regular sessions, 7 a.m., 7 p.m. Either of the session you can join. I will be teaching you everything because I have started this out of the very noble thought that I will do this, but people are not getting into the habit of using LinkedIn. I want to make them use LinkedIn every day. When I come daily, talk about LinkedIn, then people will also get excited. Okay, I learned something new. Should I try? Yeah, like that. Okay. So if you are okay to learn by yourself, we will be teaching in sessions. Second option is let me do it for you in the very first place. Like Seema Mehra, I did it for her. So this is my service which I am providing, LinkedIn management, LinkedIn optimization service. Means I will change your banner, your headline, which I showed you, your about section, your I will come up with 3 posts according to your inputs. Okay, 3 posts. And there is a section called featured section in LinkedIn. Have you ever seen that? No.
No.
Okay. So whatever 2-3 key milestones of yours with good pictures, with good things, we will be putting in the featured section. I'll show you one featured section. Okay. So she is again an. So in featured section, see, it's an optimized banner, professional photo with headline. About section is looking so good. Just see the alignment of the words with proper bolds and everything. You see? And this is called featured section. Featured section means whatever achievements you want to show to the world. For example, one of her posts was viral on LinkedIn. She showed her featured section. So featured section maybe now there are banners which we can create. I will show you one banner. If you have something like that to show, I'll make it for you. I'll make it the featured section. I'm telling, right? See, this is one of the top voices on LinkedIn. See, featured section. Yeah, like this. So here I will be coming up with such banners for your featured section according to your resume, according to your inputs. And one thing which I want from you, that please take a notepad and pen and document every small achievement, everything you did up till now. Because Rajni keeps telling that we do hundreds of things, but we hardly document. And whenever we are in the position to brag about it, we have nothing in mind. Getting my point?
Yes.
So this basic service of LinkedIn optimization spans within it takes good 20 to 25 days, because there are series of meetings with you. We are taking inputs, we are revising. That banner of Seema which you saw was not just one day affair. We studied her profile. We came up with 3 important things which she wants to convey to the recruiters. Like it takes good 20 days. That banner, headline, about, featured, 3 posts. It takes 20 days. And the basic optimization service charge is 3,000 rupees for everything. And once you will just notice, once you change your look and feel of the LinkedIn, you will start getting that visibility. Are you currently applying for jobs?
Yes.
Yes. So in resume, you are putting the LinkedIn link, but LinkedIn is looking like this. You as a recruiter, just tell me, will you be talking to this profile? It's not written nothing. And in today's job market, LinkedIn has become your identity card. People want to see stuff there. In one of the session, she is an HR of Microsoft. She told an unoptimized LinkedIn profile is a big no. We don't even see like this. That is why I am so passionate about providing this optimization service. You people are like, and I admit that you people are too busy, and somebody has not handheld you as yet. Okay, like in schools we were handholded by teachers, like do this, write A, write B, but you haven't handholded held by regarding LinkedIn. Nobody is coming to teach you LinkedIn. So let me do this. Yeah, yeah, like that. So let me know what are your thoughts.
No, I will confirm. Okay. I
Or
will
you can
see.
learn by yourself. I am taking each and every session, like how to come up with a banner, and how well are you well versed with Canva and everything, design elements, design tools.
No, that's why I'm just thinking. I'm not in good in that part. Also, I'm not good in that. Now you present yourself in characteristic words.
Okay, that writing flavor.
Writing feature, I really am very weak in that.
Okay, so because you are in a need of job, so I would suggest you take our service for once. At least make your LinkedIn look good in front of your recruiters and potential people. Try to make some connections, and I will be like, not I just don't connect with people. I try to give more and more. You have seen that, right? So at least the priority should be your basic look and feel. That gets right, and then you will eventually learn in the process.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me know about it. And yeah. So any final questions, concerns regarding this thing?
No, I just want to know just guidance for how to catch this. Now I have to do practice of the mock interviews also, because nowadays everything has changed now. The faster. In before that, okay, they see what is my need. She can put okay. In finance, there is most probably finance. We don't need to very in I don't know. Current days is actually wide. A person require everything.
And trust me, LinkedIn changes the game. You should look like a brand there. You should not look like a normal person there. Just the look and feel of Seema. Just looking at banner and professional photo, you are attracted to talk to her, right? Like that.
Like it not like I'm just it should not be like na, if you make your banner so attractive and your features should be go like that only. Sometimes actually it could be if they select on that basis and they not get Are Baba. Sometimes they are making very linking with
And just imagine you are a recruiter. You have thousands of candidates as profiles. What is standing out in you? Your LinkedIn profile. Wow. And the 3 pointers which I wrote about Seema, these are the 3 pointers Seema wants to convey to the recruiters, that I did these 3 achievements which I am proud of. So ultimately, the recruiters have so little span of attention. Looking at the banner, they get hooked.
Okay.
Because we want to hook the recruiter, and reading a resume and landing to a LinkedIn profile are two different things. And when they land to your LinkedIn profile, they see the banner, they are convinced with your look and feel, they will connect. You just take your position in front as an HR. You have thousands of candidates in queue. What will you do? Those who just look different will be your first choice.
Yes.
And the thing is, the best part is, nobody is taking good care for for his or her LinkedIn profile. So if you do, you stand a chance. You stand out.
Okay.
Yeah, like this. In fact, Seema came up with things like, even colleagues of her and previous employees are reaching out to her, like, okay, you have actually brushed up your LinkedIn. It's looking nice. Like, people also treat you as a brand, and she is putting content as well.
So you will guide us ki how to post the content on the LinkedIn.
So you are in the morning call, right?
Yeah.
So today I showed how to upload a pic post step by step. See, I am putting my entire efforts, and 100 rupees is nothing. I'm
Hmm.
just making you people understand LinkedIn. Trust me, I take so many efforts to conduct these calls. I can do something else, right? Which will give me more money, right?
Yes.
But it's out of utter, uh, what do you call? Utter realization that people should learn LinkedIn first. Even my clients should learn LinkedIn. I am doing
Yes.
this. In fact, there are some clients of mine, they are paying me good. They are paying me 15,000, 20,000 just to manage LinkedIn. Okay? For them. But still, I want that they should be learning LinkedIn as well. Okay, they don't have time to post content, to engage with their connections. I am doing them. I am doing
Okay.
for them. But still, I want them to learn so that they can
Okay.
appreciate my efforts also. If you're not know okay, if you're not knowing household chores, how to cook, how to do things, so you will not be appreciating your maid. She's
Huh.
taking efforts, like, and then you sorry, I'm taking a maid
Yes.
example, but the same goes.
Yes. Yes. I understand.
Yeah, when he or she will happen to make a LinkedIn post, then she will realize, or he will realize, what efforts I'm putting.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that was it.